Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday, June the 12th, 2023. I've not so good news because in today's newspaper we have only one regular puzzle, and it's Medium Sudoku. Not so good news because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No additional. What I will do is well, in the weekend edition we have also no additional, so I've solved in the weekend the Friday edition the extra puzzles. Yeah, no extra puzzles. So in the evening I will do the rest of the puzzles the Thursday edition. Thursday, June 8th, we have 3 puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, Sudoku with 0 stars, and the tectonic with a 1 star. Yeah, in the evening I will solve those 3 puzzles, but let me start with this one, the medium Sudoku. And what's the news of today? Well, the coming days. The coming days. There's a heat wave this week. So the heat wave, the temperature is pretty high. It's 30 degrees. So not the weather, good weather for playing, solving puzzles. Yeah. Anyway, let me continue with this one. Number 65801. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 29 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Easier than the 1-star puzzle. In addition to the 1-star puzzle, I have 27 printed digits. So I need to be faster than 15 minutes or 40 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this middle column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this big square, so no 2 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this middle column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And 6 goes there. Alright. And now. 6, 6. Okay. We have 8 here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. Need to blow my nose. The hay fever. White. 8 and 5. The 5 here. How about 6, 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have a 2 and 8 in this row, so no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 and a 3 in this column. So no 1 and 3 in these two boxes. The 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row. Last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the most. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and 7. We have 7 now in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in the third column. 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left with the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. From the third row, the only 3 places left with the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, no 2 there. Here, 2 in this column, no 2 there. The only place left with the 2 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the man. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3, 7. Okay, and now. We have a 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Okay. Alright. Wow. Need a 6 here.
So basically what we call impact hammer. Makes a lot of noise. If you compare it with a big military cannon.
Well. How about these? Wait. 9 and a 5. 9 and a 5. Interesting. How about the 1 then? Wow. 1, 2, 3, 1, 9, 3. 1, 9, 3. 1, 9, 3. Come on. Can it be 9? 9. Wow. 9. Ay. Come on. Need a 2 here. 4. How about a 4? 4. 4. But the 7 then. 7. Ooh, 7. Here's 7 here. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these 2 boxes here. 7 in the first column. No 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first row. 7 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 1 4 149 149 149 149. Well. 1 1. Three missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 4 9 1 4 9 1 4 9 1 4 9. And look, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in this box. We have a 9 in this second row, so no 9 there. So the 1 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Yeah, okay. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. Yeah, 4 in that row, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 4. Okay. Alright. Well. Let me continue. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be in, and 9 goes at there. So 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left with 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. A 1 box left in the second column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers 2 and 8. 2 and the 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in the third row. 3 in the second row. So the first row, only place left for 3 should be there. Finish in 14 minutes. Faster than 50 minutes. We solve it again, and like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 3 puzzles in the Thursday edition. Yeah. Until then, bye bye for now.